Today I'm going to start making my own laundry detergent because we've been paying way too much for all natural. We're going to start by adding in 2 cups of borax and then 2 cups of salt. You can just use table salt. Then you're going to add in 6 cups of this super washing soda. And then we're going to add in 6 cups of baking soda. To scent it, I'm going to be using lemon essential oils, and I'm putting in a teaspoon, or that equals to 100 drops. Next, I'm going to use 2 bars of Fells naphtha, and you are going to want to shave this down with a cheese grater. Now just mix everything together, and it does work a little bit easier if you put it in a big tub first and use a whisk, because you can really mix all the ingredients. I got this nice glass jar that I can transfer all of my detergent into. It's a little bit smaller, so it'll be easier to store, and it also looks a lot nicer than this big plastic tub. I can already smell it as I'm pouring it in, and it smells so good. To wash your clothes, just add in 2 tablespoons before you add your clothes.